I've been asked a lot how I stay motivated and how to get back to being motivated when you just feel like you're overwhelmed, you're not motivated, you can't figure it out. The biggest thing that I like to do is I make notes. Like, I literally have notes everywhere, and they're notes for like daily notes, they're weekly notes, they are my yearly goals. Like, I just like to make lists of everything I need to do, and as I cross them off, I start feeling better about myself and like even more motivated to do more. So if you're feeling unmotivated, something that's really good to do is to write a daily list of the things you need to do. So it can be as simple as, today I need to go to the grocery store and get food, or today I need to start paying back my debt, or today I need to figure out a way to make extra money. Little things that not necessarily need to fix the whole big picture, but to kind of start chipping away at your bigger problems or like your bigger goals and slowly like make the steps to get there. One of my favorite quotes is, "A river cuts through rock not by its power but through its persistence." And I love that quote because you never know how long somebody you're idolizing has been doing this, or someone you aspire to be has been like grinding to do what they're doing. If you look at my social media, you could think that somehow I just magically came across being a model and a blogger, influencer, all the above. But realistically, I've been doing this for 10 years. So you can't judge somebody's chapter 10 on your chapter 1. It just doesn't work that way. And you need to have the motivation to be persistent, because you're going to have setbacks, you're going to have moments, you're going to have amazing moments, you're going to need to have that persistence to get to your goals. My biggest piece of advice is to make a list. Make a daily list of what you need to do, make a weekly list, a monthly list, and as you cross them off, you get this like amazing feeling of like, I can do this, I can be amazing. And I swear it's something so silly, but once you crumple up that piece of paper and it's done, it's like, yes, I did it. So make lists and keep them small. Slowly work towards your goal and rebuild your motivation, because it's not going to happen overnight. You don't want to get burnout, and make sure you take time for yourself, because taking time for yourself is what's going to keep that fire burning. You need you time.